What if a single product could save space, reduce clutter, or make everyday life a little easier? In today's video, we're featuring clever home upgrades, multifunctional furniture, smart organization solutions, and gadgets designed to solve common problems in surprisingly simple ways. From products that hide clutter in plain sight to others that completely transform how you use a room, there are some genuinely clever finds coming up. All product links are given in the description below, so be sure to check them out. With that said, let's get started. Starting off with this laundry hamper with lid. Featuring a large 110-liter capacity, it's designed to keep laundry neatly contained instead of scattered around the room. The lid helps hide clothes from view, while two removable liner bags make sorting laundry simple and convenient. Built-in handles make carrying loads easier, and when extra space is needed, the entire hamper folds down for storage. It's a practical solution for keeping bedrooms, bathrooms, and laundry areas looking clean and organized, and this usually sells for around $40 to $50. Now, another space-saving solution, this 3-in-1 convertible sofa chair combines a chair, recliner, and bed into a single piece of furniture. The adjustable backrest allows you to switch between different positions depending on whether you're working, relaxing, or accommodating overnight guests. Instead of filling a room with multiple furniture pieces, it helps maximize functionality while saving valuable floor space. It's especially useful for apartments, guest rooms, dorms, and smaller living spaces. You can typically find it priced between $180 and $250. And keeping things organized with this compact nightstand, it offers an impressive amount of storage without taking up much room. It features 3 drawers for organizing everyday essentials, a sturdy steel frame for durability, and a wooden top that's perfect for lamps, books, or electronics. The vertical design makes efficient use of space, helping reduce clutter while keeping important items close at hand. It's a simple upgrade that can make any bedroom feel more organized. Most versions are available for around $40 to $70. Another clever find, which looks like a modern coffee table but hides inside, is a convenient storage compartment. The lift-top design provides space for books, remotes, magazines, and other living room essentials, while the 2-tier construction offers even more storage options. By giving everyday items a dedicated place, it helps reduce visible clutter while maintaining a clean and stylish appearance. It's both functional and attractive at the same time. Pricing generally falls between $120 and $200. Continuing the organization theme with this dresser, which is designed for anyone who needs more storage without sacrificing space. It features 7 fabric drawers, convenient side shelves, a sturdy steel frame, and a durable wooden top. Despite offering plenty of room for clothing, accessories, and household items, it maintains a relatively compact footprint. The result is a storage solution that helps maximize organization while fitting comfortably into smaller rooms and apartments. Depending on the model, expect to pay around $80 to $130. Now for something simpler. These drill-free suction cup hooks create instant hanging space without requiring tools or permanent installation. Made from stainless steel, they attach securely to smooth surfaces and can be used for towels, kitchen accessories, cleaning supplies, and more. Because no drilling is required, they're especially useful for renters or anyone looking to add storage without damaging walls. It's a quick and easy way to make better use of unused space, and this usually sells for around $15 to $30. Here's another convenient solution. This bamboo couch cup holder tray turns an ordinary sofa armrest into a convenient mini table. The anti-slip design helps keep drinks secure, while dedicated spaces for your phone, remote, and other essentials keep everything within easy reach. Instead of searching for a side table or balancing items on the couch, you can keep everything organized right beside you. It's a simple solution that adds extra convenience without taking up additional space. You can typically find it priced between $20 to $40. Now, another practical upgrade. This retractable clothesline provides extra drying space whenever you need it and disappears when you don't. The wall-mounted design extends easily, while the non-sagging line helps support multiple garments at once. Built from rust-proof materials, it's designed for long-term use in laundry rooms, bathrooms, balconies, and other compact spaces. By retracting neatly after use, it helps maintain a clean and uncluttered appearance. Most versions are available for around $25 to $50. Moving into smart solutions, this smart digital calendar acts as a central hub for keeping daily life organized. The HD touchscreen can display schedules, meal plans, reminders, chores, and even family photos. With Wi-Fi connectivity, updates can be managed digitally, helping everyone stay informed and on schedule. Instead of relying on paper notes and multiple calendars, it brings everything together in one convenient place. Depending on the size and model, expect to pay around $150 to $300. Another smart addition, this adjustable tablet stand is designed to make screen time more comfortable. With adjustable height and viewing angles, it helps position your device exactly where you need it for studying, working, reading, or streaming. The foldable design makes it easy to carry and store, while wide compatibility supports a variety of tablets and smartphones. It's a simple accessory that can improve comfort throughout the day while helping create a more ergonomic workspace. And this usually sells for around $15 to $40. And hey, if any of these caught your attention, every product link is waiting for you right down in the description below. Now here's another smart idea. This retro digital flip clock combines practical timekeeping with a distinctive vintage appearance. Instead of a standard digital display, it uses an internal gear mechanism to flip the time cards automatically. The battery-powered design allows it to be placed almost anywhere, making it ideal for desks, shelves, offices, and bedside tables. It's a functional piece that not only tells time, but also adds a unique decorative touch to any space. Pricing generally falls between $30 and $70. Keeping the convenience going with this motion-activated toilet bowl light is designed to make nighttime bathroom visits much easier. It automatically turns on when movement is detected and provides illumination without the need to switch on bright overhead lights. The color-changing LED system adds a fun touch, while the automatic shutoff feature turns the light off after 60 seconds. With a detection range of up to 15 feet, it's a simple upgrade that adds both convenience and visibility. Most versions are available for around $10 to $20. Continuing on, this smart automatic toothpaste dispenser helps keep bathroom counters cleaner and more organized. The wall-mounted design dispenses toothpaste automatically, reducing mess and making daily routines more convenient. It also includes a toothbrush holder and offers 3 dispensing levels, allowing you to choose the amount that works best for you. By combining organization and convenience into one device, it helps streamline an everyday task. You can typically find it priced between $15 and $35. Now here's something different. This foldable wagon cart is designed to make transporting heavy items significantly easier. Whether you're moving groceries, sports equipment, camping gear, or laundry, the heavy-duty wheels help handle the workload with less effort. Built-in cup holders add extra convenience, while the collapsible frame folds down when not in use. It's a practical tool that helps save time and energy whenever large loads need to be moved. Depending on the model, expect to pay around $70 to $150. Now moving to another practical upgrade, this portable neck fan provides hands-free cooling wherever you go. The bladeless design sits comfortably around your neck, while 4 speed settings allow you to adjust airflow based on your needs. Powered by a rechargeable 5,000 mAh battery, it delivers extended use throughout the day, and the LED display makes it easy to monitor settings and battery life. It's a convenient companion for commuting, travel, outdoor events, and warm summer days, and this usually sells for around $25 to $50. Keeping things convenient with this 2-in-1 travel steamer and iron, it helps keep clothes looking neat whether you're at home or on the road. The dual voltage design supports international travel, while fast heating and a ceramic heat panel help remove wrinkles quickly and efficiently. Instead of packing separate appliances, you get both steaming and ironing functions in one compact device. It's a smart travel essential for anyone who wants wrinkle-free clothing wherever they go. Pricing generally falls between $30 and $70. Here is another space-saving solution. This portable tabletop ironing board offers a convenient alternative to bulky traditional ironing boards. The foldable design creates an instant ironing station whenever needed and stores away easily when not in use. It even includes an integrated hook for holding your iron, helping keep everything organized in one place. Ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and smaller homes, it provides functionality without taking up valuable floor space. Most versions are available for around $30 to $60. Last but certainly not least, this compact dehumidifier helps improve comfort by removing excess moisture from small rooms. Its quiet operation makes it suitable for bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, and other compact spaces, while the automatic shutoff feature adds convenience and peace of mind. By reducing dampness, it helps create a more comfortable environment without taking up much room. It's a simple but effective solution for managing moisture in everyday living spaces. You can typically find it priced between $40 and $100. And that's it for today's collection of clever home finds. Which product was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed discovering these smart upgrades and practical solutions, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more great finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.